How to change EBT card number on Instacart. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your EBT card number on Instacart. Now, basically changing your EBT card number means changing your card, right? Now here is how you can do it. First head into Instacart. Now I'll be showing you here on the browser. First, how do you add the EBT card? Simply on the page, once you're logged in, simply tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left corner. Once there, you want to tap on your account settings, and under your account settings you want to head into account settings, and if you scroll down below you can see EBT snap settings, and under it you can see add EBT snap card. Simply tap on add, and here you can see it'll head you into payment methods, and simply tap on EBT snap card. Simply tap on add, and here you'll be able to add your snap card by typing in your card number and re-entering card number, and then simply tap on save. Now if you want to change it, what you can do is you want to simply head into the payment method settings. Now you can see payment method, simply tap on it, and if you have already added your payment method here, it will show up here. You want to simply tap on the particular EBT card payment method that you have set up, and under it you'll find the edit option or change option. Simply tap on it and you'll be able to edit your EBT card number. So this way you can edit your EBT card number or change EBT card number on Instacart. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.